Republicans used the news that a number of classified documents from Joe Biden's time as vice president were discovered in his former private office to hide former President Donald Trump's collection of secret documents. At a time when Trump is increasingly in legal peril, the disclosures made on Monday regarding the material discovered in the fall sparked an immediate political storm. In the meantime, the new GOP majority in the House is rushing to undermine investigations against him and launch a flurry of counter-investigative efforts against the incumbent president. Smaller scale than the more than 100 classified documents taken from Trump's resort at Mar-a-Lago following a court-approved FBI search, some of which carried the highest designations of government secrecy. Biden, in contrast to Trump, does not appear to be cooperating with the Justice Department or the National Archives, and he is not being investigated for possible obstruction of justice. In a post on his Truth Social network, Trump, who views attempts to hold Biden accountable for his actions while in office and afterward as political victimization, sought to capitalize on Biden's discomfort with the documents. When will the FBI conduct a search of Joe Biden's numerous residences, possibly even the White House? It is clear that these documents were not declassified, he wrote. According to CNN, new House Oversight Chairman James Comer. The existence of a two-tiered justice system is a further cause for concern. In response to the discovery of the documents in an office used by Biden after he left the vice presidency, the new House Speaker, Kevin McCarthy, also responded quickly. "Really? Oh? After all these years, they just found them," he told CNN. What has he stated regarding the other president's possession of classified documents? The documents have been sent to the U.S. Attorney in Chicago for review by Attorney General Merrick Garland. Some of the documents bear the label sensitive compartmentalized information, indicating that they came from intelligence agencies. However, there are distinct differences between the two instances. As Garland considers whether to file a criminal complaint against Trump, whose status as an active 2024 candidate and former president has significant political ramifications, the disclosures of the Biden documents will only exacerbate the already difficult political situation. In an effort to emphasize the independence of the Justice Department, which was constantly in question while Trump was president, Garland insists that investigations will go where the evidence and the law demand. However, a decision to charge Trump over the classified documents case, but not to take the same action against Biden, would incite political uproar among conservatives, who would undoubtedly allege double standards now, regardless of how the Biden vice presidential documents issue is resolved. In a measured response to the Biden report, the former president's legal team sought to expand protections for their client. Indicative of a larger problem with trying to keep track of classified information in the offices of the president and the VP, a lawyer stated of the Biden story. There is a problem with overclassification, and things get packed up and moved at the end of an administration, making it hard to keep track. The lawyer also said that if Trump were to be charged, his lawyers would demand that the National Archives and Biden's team talk to each other about the matter.